What do you think? What do you think? Careful. Don't squeeze him.
He made a funny face.
What do you think? Ooh.
Ooh, careful, Daddy.
Bobby slammed a horny toad. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Do you like him?
Oh, careful, honey.
Where'd he go?
Careful. He
Be
might
nice
hurt
to
him.
Be nice to him.
What is that?
Look at his face, Fish. Is he cute? Wow. Let me look. You should take a still shot.